morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Why is it that this morning you are just talking as if you are not talking? Who has said that word? Yes. What is a plate margin? Yes, plate margin. Yes. Now, when I ask what is a plate margin, you say landforms and features are divergent plate margin. Oh, you don't hear my question very well. Okay, so what is a plate margin? Yes, it is a boundary between two plates, right?
Moving away from each other.
A plate margin is a boundary between two plates.
Wow.
Yes. Now there are three plate margins: convergence, divergence, and conservative. Yes, conservation is okay. It's correct. Now, last class we did divergent plate margin. The divergent plate margin is a plate margin where two plates move away from each other. This is a divergent plate margin. Now, when two plates comes in contact to each other, that plate margin is called a conservative or a convergent plate margin. In geography, in the world, in geomorphology, and in real life, when two plates comes in contact with each other, something happens there. Is that clear? That is what we are looking today. We are looking at landforms and features at convergent plate margin. The first one is that when two plates are of the same density, let's say sigma, or oceanic and oceanic plate, when they come in contact, they create what we call a subduction zone. Subduction zone is a zone where two plates of the same density, the oceanic plate and the oceanic plate, the oceanic plate, please, and the continental plate, the sigma and the CI, the oceanic plate and the continental plate, when they come in contact, they create a subduction zone. Now, the question is, what happens? What are the processes that takes place before that subduction zone is created? One, there is contact between the two plates. If I'm to draw, this is going to be the oceanic plate. This is going to be the continental plate. Why do you usually draw the oceanic plate lower than the continental plate? Because the oceanic plate is found below the sea. This is the continent. All this is the earth. It's the cross. Right? All this is the cross. This video is having problems with Thank you. This is the cross. Yes, this is the cross. And then this is the ocean. But our interest is not the water. Our interest is the plate or the base on which the water is found. That is the oceanic plate. Now, when this water comes in contact with the earth, like for example, River Marco or River Manda, when that water comes in contact with the earth, there is almost nothing. It's only the wall or the river edge that happens. Now, the main interest is the plate, the oceanic plate, where the water is sleeping or where the water is lying upon. When this plate now comes in contact with the earth, the whole of the cross, what happens here? This water has no effect, but at this boundary where they are coming in contact, what happens? That's this is the place that we call subduction zone. This one subducts or it sinks into the mountain because it is heavier and this one is lighter. Are we there? This one also is found on the mountain. because below the cross, the oceanic cross is the mountain. And it's also floating. It's floating. This one is floating. And this one also is found on the mountain. She did cry. You never chop. Sumia, when we went out, what did you do to her?
So we're going to get, I was even one of the that she would come and attend dermatology. She was okay. We're coming together. Are you sure Vero is crying? Because sometimes now, they don't enter the class and make as if she wants to tell.
Manque de la chicotte. This is lack of whip. Yes, because he lacks whip. Tu manques la chicotte. Toi. You made her she whip you a bit. How can you come to class and then you pretend as if you are crying?
Am I crying? But so did she tell you that she's crying?
Nasu, my line. She deserves some whipping. So that her senses should come back.